Welcome to this video where we will be comparing two popular cutting tools used in the woodworking and metalworking industries, the bandsaw versus the chop saw. In this video, we will be discussing the differences between these two cutting tools and which one is best suited for your needs. Let's get started. The bandsaw, what is it? The bandsaw is one versatile machine that can make precise cuts. It has a lot of capabilities, and it can be used with different materials such as wood and metal. It is slower than other types of saws, but it can partly replace a chop saw, a miter saw, and a scroll saw. It is used by professionals, but many dyers have it too. It can handle very big workpieces with ease. That's why it is used for big projects. It is equipped with many features such as dust collectors. Functionality. The bandsaw is one very versatile machine. It is considered to be multifunctional, since it can make almost any kind of cuts, including straight cuts, curved cuts, cross cuts, and more. It is a slow machine that is designed to make precise and smooth cuts. It can handle different materials, and it can be used with bigger ones too. It is quiet, which makes it good for home workshops. Versatility. The blade that the bandsaw uses is round, long, and runs through the entire machine. It goes directly through the workpiece you are using. It runs on a non-stop circle, and it can make very good cuts. You can use the bandsaw with different blades, and most of the time the change of them is not hard. It also has two wheels that support the long blade. Most of the time it uses an electric motor. Most often it is used to cut wood. However, this does not mean that it can't be used with other materials such as metal, aluminum, etc. Chop saw. What is it? The chop saw is considered to have similar design as a miter saw. It is one very powerful machine that works faster than other tools and is traditionally used for making square cuts. It can make accurate and precise cuts, but it is most often used for precise cuts made on wood. However, it can handle harder materials such as metal too. It is a very portable choice, and many professionals and dyers use it. The chop saws are considered to be one of the most portable saws available on the market. They are not heavy, and they can be moved around easy. Of course, there are some extra large versions available too, such as the industrial ones. Functionality. The chop saw is used for quick cuts through any material. They are very powerful, and they can deal with almost every material with ease. Compared to a bandsaw, the chop saw is extremely fast. It can make straight and simple cuts, but it is more about speed and performance. However, this machine does not have a dust port. This means it makes a mess, and the debris and dust have to be cleaned by you. Furthermore, it is a very loud saw. That's why a lot of people prefer to buy another one. It is dangerous, and you should always wear protection when using it. Versatility. The blade that the chop saw uses is a round one. It can work with different blades drawn different sizes. This makes it possible to work with almost any kind of material. Changing the blades is an easy task too. Even though it is used mostly with wood, this machine can cut through any other material such as metal and aluminum fast, with ease. However, the blades of this saw cannot make smooth cuts. They are rough, and they are designed to be fast. It can make miter cuts from any size, which makes it perfect for people that are looking for a machine that can deliver cuts from different angles. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.